So in this construction, we're asked to decide whether it is the circumcenter being created or the centroid of the triangle. So if it's the circumcenter, you would see the intersection of the perpendicular bisectors, which mean you would see tick marks because the segment got cut in half. And you would also see a 90-degree angle box because perpendicular means it cut it at exactly a 90-degree angle. If it's the centroid, you would see the intersection of the medians, which means it starts at the vertex and it drops all the way down to the opposite side and cuts the opposite side into two equal parts with no 90-degree angle. If I look at this picture, I notice that the 90-degree angles are present, and therefore this is the circumcenter. It's the intersection of the perpendicular bisectors. So I choose circumcenter, and my reason is because it is the intersection of the perpendicular bisectors. I can also measure to make sure that this holds true that segment AM is congruent to segment BM, and that's also congruent to segment MC, because by definition, if it's the circumcenter, these three segments should be identical in length.